Hello everyone and welcome back to Dash of Spices. Today is another air fryer recipe. Today I'll be sharing with you how I made this two delicious air fried egg toast. You can eat this breakfast, lunch or dinner if you like bread or egg like me. So if you want to learn how I made this, please keep on watching. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and let's start. And first things first, we are gonna cook our bacon. If you want a full video on how I cook a bacon, I provided the link down below in the description box. All I did here is lay those bacon flat in a basket and pop that in the air fryer. Cook it 400 degrees for 8 minutes. So while the bacon is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and prepare the first air fried egg toast. I'm just going to create a ring shape with this bread. Just cut that inner part of the bread. Don't dispose the other bread because you could use that later on, which what we're going to do here. Do the same with the other bread. So you're definitely going to use about 4 bread if you're making 2 of these. And then I'm just gonna use a butter and just spread that on the bread. If you don't like the butter, then you're welcome to use an oil. It's really up to your preference. I just use like about half a tablespoon of butter, and actually I spread that with these 2 breads. Just include the ring as well, the ring shaped bread, just like that. Then we're gonna add the egg. This is a small size egg, so it fits the 2 on that size of the bread. I'm using a sourdough bread, but you're welcome to use whatever bread you prefer. And that's how it looks like. And now that our bacon is done, I'm going to remove the bacon out of the basket. Wipe this down because we don't want it too oily. Just wipe it, those oil, and then remove the oil or transfer it to a container, just like what I'm doing right here, and wipe down the container as well. It's better because if you don't, your air fryer is gonna get smoky. And now just gently place that bread into the basket, just like that. And then we're going to cook this for 400 degrees for 7 minutes. And after 7 minutes, there is the egg toast, air fried egg toast. And top this with your favorite toppings. I just top it with my favorite, which are avocados and bacon. But you could add tomatoes or whatever you want. Green onions, it's really up to you. Just like what I'm doing it right here, I just crumble those bacon and put it on top of the toast. There you go. There is our air fried egg toast. Now let's move on to air fried egg toast with Everything Bagel. This is my favorite. I've tried this 2 weeks ago and I just love it, and I decided, you know what? I'm going to share it with you guys. So just whisk 2 eggs, and those are the breads that we removed from the other bread. We're going to use that with this egg toast, and this is Everything Bagel. Just add about 1 tablespoon of that to the 2 eggs and whisk it until combined. I transfer this to a shallow bowl so it's easy for me to soak or dip the bread. Just like that, just make sure both sides or the bread is completely coated with the mixture. This is my favorite, and I'm really sure if you like Everything Bagel, you should try this. You're going to love it. You could eat this breakfast, lunch, and dinner. If you like egg or toast, just like me. This is how it looks like. And then we're gonna put this in the air fryer. Cook it 400 degrees between 5 to 7 minutes. I cooked this for 5 minutes, but if you want it extra toasted, then add 2 more minutes. And there you go. There's only 2 left because somebody already took the other 2 before I can even take a video. And see how that looks like. It looks so good. Top it with your favorite toppings. I just top it with avocado and bacon. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed to our channel. We appreciate your guys' support. Hope you come back and see us. Until next time, ciao.